What the? Oh, come on. It's not that bad. Just camera shy, that's all.
Give me the camera.
Fine, don't turn it off.
I am not camera shy.
Then don't be camera shy.
He's just a pervert and stalks me. He stalks me every. And that is my little short brother. And that's true, yeah. Tested.
And him.
Joe.
I mean, he has a YouTube account too.
I'll kill you where you stay.
Okay,
As you say, please don't stalk me anymore.
I won't stalk you anymore, homie G.
It's homie K, you retard.
Okay, homie K.
Peace out, home dogs.
You know what's really funny? All my friends that are in her family have K's in it. So, what's up, homie G? Molester. She's molesting him. Oh my god. They're having fun time. They're having fun time up there.
As I choose my parents will like cut off my foreskin, yes.
Okay, that's a funny
I will kill you where you stand.
Nice one.
And I will molest Charma.
No! No! Don't, no, I'm joking.
Kyle.
I don't care if I'll get pissed. Dude, don't look at his sex toy.
No, I sex toy you, homo. Oh, sex.
Wait, let me see the campfire.
No! I don't trust you.
Get over that way.
Johnny, camera! Johnny, camera, though.
Open it! Open it!
Wait, where's the... Oh.
Place. Eagles.
Fuck!
And close it. Hello.
Okay.
How are you doing? Press the button. Press the button.
Woohoo! This is a cool door. Oh my god, Kyle thought that was actually loaded. Stupid. You never load a gun! No, you do. Oh. Did you do you and Kyle have the same exact, like, sweatshirt?
Yeah, I'm not gonna let you in the car, crazy.
I'm not crazy, homie.
No!
Oh! Manage! Manage! Someone texting you, honey? No.
What the hell? Who the hell?
You wanna go?
Monica.
You wanna have a good time?
No. No, asshole.
No! Okay, we'll see you guys. See you guys.
I'm going to kill.
Have a great time. Bye-bye.
Bitches!